Hello and welcome to our video on 5 ways to boost your social media presence. Whether you're an individual, business or brand, having a strong social media presence is essential to reaching your target audience and growing your online presence. In this video, we'll be discussing some effective strategies for building a strong social media following and increasing your visibility online. So, let's get started. Optimize your profiles. This is the first step in creating a strong social media presence. Make sure your profiles are fully filled out, with a clear profile picture and bio that accurately represents you or your brand. Use keywords in your bio that will help people find you when searching for related content. For example, if you're a personal trainer, you might use keywords like fitness, health, and wellness in your bio. Consistency is key. The more consistent you are with posting content, the more likely it is that your followers will engage with your posts. Decide on a posting schedule and stick to it. For example, if you're a fashion brand, you might post new looks every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages, and make an effort to build relationships with your followers. This will help to create a sense of community around your brand or account. For example, if you're a food blogger, you might answer questions about recipe substitutions or share cooking tips in response to comments. Use hashtags strategically. Hashtags are a great way to increase the visibility of your posts and reach new audiences. Research popular hashtags in your niche and use them in your posts to increase your chances of being seen by potential followers. For example, if you're a travel blogger, you might use hashtags like #travelinspiration, #wanderlust, and #travelgram. Leverage influencers. Reach out to influencers in your niche and collaborate with them to reach a larger audience. This can be done through sponsored posts, giveaways, or collaborations. For example, if you're a beauty brand, you might collaborate with a makeup artist to create a tutorial video featuring your products. Conclusion. By following these strategies and putting in the effort, you can boost your social media presence and reach a larger audience. Remember, building a strong social media presence takes time and effort, but with consistency and dedication, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the information useful. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.